We still like halfway stuck.
You can do it, Jack.
Thank you, Carter. Thank you. Thank you for the motivation.
You're the key to the door.
Alright, that just didn't help.
I'm doing.
Holy!
You would think that was hard to do.
Yes, it was very hard.
I'm just looking at everybody.
Are you gonna go this way? Huh? You go this way?
He said, this is.
You guys can play in here anywhere you want
Is there
to.
like
Can we
holes?
follow up that hole up there?
Is there holes?
Yeah, which one? Which one are you pointing to?
Right there.
There's really not much going up.
There we go.
Okay.
But if you go back, it does go back further and then comes back this way. And
Let's go find
You
some
wanna go
curry.
up this hole, Jack?
Sure, let's go find some curry.
Okay, this hole is crazy. So we have to go up, and then it looks like he said it loops back.
Okay.
So. Oh, do we go left or right?
either,
Okay. Which way would it
you
be?
could go left to come back and go right.
Which one's funner, left or right?
They're both pretty much the same. They both end and then you have to come back
Which
eventually.
way do you want to go?
Which one do you want to go?
Oh, let's go, let's go. Left. Okay.
Oh, my mom's gonna
Hold on. Kyrie. Remember how you gotta bring your
There you are.
Alright,
I see you.
get my footing.
That's impossible, bro.
Yeah, Ronan, you definitely are.
You ain't pushing?
Do I go this way?
You can go any way you want to down here. They went, two of them went behind me.
What about the others?
There's some others that came in over there. They didn't do the keyhole. They chickened out.
I ain't no chicken.
Nope.
Low key, that's probably my choice.
I might as well go behind you.
All right. That sounds like a good choice.
Sorry.
That's okay. You're good. Next.
Everyone good? Okay, yep, I'm coming.
Take your time.
Low key. No, it's not that bad. Like, it's a bit of a struggle at the beginning. but
Hello?
Past that.
Hey! Which way did you go?
I'm working on it.
Yeah?
Yep, tight, but.
Woo. There you go.
Oh, that was nice.
You
I
got
actually
it.
like that.
Yeah. Good.
That way?
Three of them went behind me.
Three of them. Which three?
I don't know. I don't know anybody's names.
There we go. Whew. That was something else. Well,
Glad you liked it.
thanks.
All right. Got
All right,
somebody
where
else-
do y'all go?
There we go.
To the right.
There's a little incline back there. Go up the incline, go to the
I
right.
see it. Yep.
Very good.
He'll do with you.
Where'd you go? Very good.
Why are you doing so fast?
There's a bunch of them went behind me. And there's a whole group coming up this way.
Go behind you?
Yeah, you can do that. Was there anybody else coming
I
up?
think they all went the other way.
Okay, everybody else back that way, or? Okay, all right. I just want to make sure we got everybody together. No, you're good. You're good.
Wait, where do I go? Just straight?
Yeah, straight. Some of them went to the right, some went to the left. We're gonna play there if you want, and then come back this way, and then we'll go down there, and whatever you guys feel like doing. There's really not too much that you can get into trouble with in here.
Don't fall into the cracks. Because this cave's cracky.
Which way should I go?
They went to the right.
Right?
You can go to the right, you can go to the left, whatever you feel like doing. Get myself in this hole. There we go.
Don't go this way.
Don't go that way.
Yeah, he said
Dead end.
It's a dead end.
They all dead
Dead
end.
end.
What the-
I think you good?
It's fun to play.
Damn.
They said it was dead end.
But they're all dead ends.
Yeah,
That's great.
everything dead ends. Eventually.
Wait, where are you?
I think it's under.
Oh, I see you.
I'm saying I'm like
I see you
barely
guys.
hearing.
There's a tiny little hole here. Look through here.
You just come back down this way.
Hey, y'all.
Yeah, they're
Let's
gonna
go where they went.
eventually work their way down here. You guys coming back out?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm dead end that way.
I'm gonna get out of the way there.
I can't move this anymore.
Yeah, well, you can't crawl through this hole. Don't.
I mean, you can only go that way.
Let me do this. Wait. Is that a dead end down there?
Did you go the other direction?
We think that. We think that is likely. Like it's
Did you go that way at all?
improbable that they would all come back together.
You guys come down here and you look up, you see all those hanging rocks. Like they're just,
Jack's with Kyrie.
Yeah.
Knew it.
Nice.
they're all wedged in there some way.
Don't look like Bob much.
Nah.
Watch the whole game. Wait, where do I?
Hey, we got film, bro. We're in flow.
Do I crawl here?
We're gonna do 500 TikTok dances.
You go down that way? You go down that way? Which way do we go?
We're going down this way. There we go.